Hi guys, this is Akshat and welcome to another session of Introduction to Clay Modeling. Today we'll be learning how to make this amazing Mokume Gane butterfly wall hanging, and this is going to be a treat for your eye. So why wait? Let's get started. Take different colored polymer clay and roll out same shaped rectangles. I have chosen dark blue, green, pink, light blue and white. You can choose any other color combinations as you like. Stick the layers on top of each other, roll it, cut it in half, stick the halves together to make a solid square shape. Take various clay tools and press them in the clay randomly. Just go about 3/4 way down. Choose different shapes like ball, curved shape, lines. This will look like a very random technique because you cannot see the magic that is going on inside. But have patience. You can also use toothpicks and sketch pen caps if you would like. Now once you are done, press it back again to remove the holes. Make sure you remove every visible hole. Once it is fully solid, freeze it for about 2 minutes so that it is easy to chop it off. This looks just right to be cut. Use a cutter blade to chop it off. The side where we made the holes, we will chop vertically relative to that. And ta-da! This was the magic I was talking about. The colors have come together to make this brilliant and eye-catching art. Similarly, chop the rest. Don't worry if you don't get the exact square every time. You can mold it to create other shapes. Take a piece and cut into different shapes like rectangles, circles. You can take a strip of it, twirl it around to create cool loops. You can create leaves and you can create the majestic butterfly and other parts of the wall hanging. Use a toothpick and make the holes so that we can combine these together to make a beautiful wall hanging art. Now let's bake it. And this is how it looks after baking. I have added the nail paint coat to make it shine. Figure out the design of your wall hanging by placing the elements together. The mere change in position of one element will drastically change the shape and look of your wall hanging. Use strings and tie the shapes together. This is how our Mokume Gane butterfly wall hanging looks. It is amazing, right? If you guys like this activity, well, go and try it out. Like this video, share it, comment your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next session where we will learn how to illustrate from clay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.